All right, here we go. Welcome to Big Daddy D Adventures. Got a trip to the coast. Fishing again with my buddy Mike. He's got his monster rig here. Sitting high like he's on a Coast Guard cutter. Nice rig though. This is what that rig is for. Today we're gonna fish the edge of the flats and see what we can pick up right at that edge, and probably gonna be throwing lures mostly today. Might throw a fly rod. I got a little popper on the fly rod currently, but main thing is get across the channel right now, and we'll see where it goes. Until later, I'll see you in a little bit. Here we go, crossing the channel. See a couple other kayaks out there today, working over there by the island. I think our plan is to work up here along the edges of the channel. Made pretty good quick work of it today. Happy for that. Being out here away from the island, probably gonna have to either anchor or go up and come back. Nice clear water today. Hey Mike, you thinking about anchoring on the edge, or you want to paddle in and then drift out? Okay, because you're going to have trouble keeping right at that edge with the wind blowing us across. So. Yeah.
But I think anywhere, probably between that edge, halfway to that island,
yeah.
Sand pockets.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to work some sand pockets up this way and just drift back out, and then kind of do a zigzag. Yeah. See what I can pick up. I'll see you when I see you. Yeah, trying this new float here. I don't think I like it. Gonna take it off. Of course, I'm making enough noise to let everybody know I'm here. That doesn't work. Yeah, I don't think I like it. I like to throw, usually I like to throw worms or spoons. I think I'm going to start with the spoon today. Got a new rig on my kayak there. Just sitting out here casting at the clear spots out here. I'm just dragging my feet across the bottom to keep me from going too fast across the flat. I'm actually able to sit sideways on it without dumping my kayak, so that's nice. works out pretty good. Got my little rig with all my rods. Only thing about doing what I'm doing, I'm sliding my feet here. You gotta make sure I don't slide across a stingray. That would hurt. Again, just trying to work the shady spots here as I see them. Looking for movement in the water. Not picking up too much cabbage. Decided I'd anchor for a little bit. Cast. Got a lot of sandy spots right in here. Just got the kayak anchored there. Firm enough bottom here. Or I can stand over here and cast. Get a little bit better view standing up here. Seeing if I see any shadows. Usually a redfish will be kind of a goldish flash. Trout will be kind of a silver, sometimes black. Right now, just kind of blind cast into some of these spots out here. Like I said, I'm in the middle of a bunch of them. Don't know if you guys can see this, but right here is why you drag your feet on the flats. I don't know if you can see, there's a stingray right about there, and that would be a bad day to step on one of those guys. I don't know what you think, but I'm thinking bad day. So we'll watch out for those guys. The key there is to slide your feet as you go. I did switch over. I got a kind of a weedless rig here. Got a worm. Got the hook where it's buried inside of it. Try that for a while. See if we do any luck. Alright, I'm back. I moved up over by the island. I was gonna go down this edge as we got a falling tide. Kind of work up here. Kind of treat the little island up here as some structure. And looking for any motion in the water or tailing. I'm just kind of crabbing along here, sitting on the side of the kayak here. Seeing what I can do. Thanks for coming along with me. Water's not as clear as it was out front. Maybe when I get around this point it'll clear up. Just kind of going along here watching for any motion in the water. Nirvana would be see some tails sticking up. That means it would be some redfish over there. But no luck so far. gonna go see if I can find something up this little channel or along this shore here. Looks like some movement up here by the side here. If you can see that, a couple of tailing reds right up there. There you go. Yeah. Let's see if I can get this guy in. Got him on the spoon. Come on, come around. Come around. You're not done yet, are you? I think that might be a keeper. Oh, come back up around. Come on. Get in the boat. All right. That would be a nice red. That red would be, let's see how big that red would be. That red would be 24. I do believe that is big enough. All right, I should probably get a picture of that one. Let's see if we scared off all the other ones. Well, that was fun. Still seeing some movement up in here. Let's see if there's any other holding up here. one more. See if I can get him turned. Looks like a little rat red though. Whoops. He came off. It's getting to be 2:50. I'm heading back towards Mike, where I left him the last time I saw him. So far it hadn't been a bad day. Got one that I can put in the freezer, and I caught one and landed it. It was a little small, about 15. And then I hooked another rat red, probably about the same size, 10 or 12, but he self-released. So we'll fish a little bit heading back towards Mike. I'm seeing some fish from time to time, but mainly I'm heading in. We'll see how we do going in. If I hook another one, I'll record it, but if not, I'll probably just wait a while. Thanks for coming on another adventure with me. I hope you enjoyed fishing with me and hopefully learned something along the way. As usual, if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to go on more adventures, hit subscribe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.